Hello and welcome to Master of Finance, the channel where we help you make smarter decisions about your money, with clear, practical advice that works in the real world. Before we dive into today's topic, I'd really appreciate your support. If you enjoy learning about personal finance and want to take better control of your money, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also interested in financial education. Your support keeps this channel growing and allows us to reach more people like you. Thank you so much. Now, let's talk about something that might feel a little old school, but is still very useful to know. How do you write a check? Even in today's digital age, there are times when writing a check is necessary, like paying rent, handling certain bills, or making official payments where electronic transfers aren't accepted. So here's how to write a check step by step. 1. Date. Write the current date in the top right corner. This helps track the transaction and ensures the check isn't post-dated or outdated. 2. Pay. On the line that says, "Pay to the order of." Write the name of the person or business you're paying. 3. Amount in numbers in the small box on the right. Write the amount in numbers, for example, $150.00. 4. Amount in words on the line below the P. Write the amount in full words, for example, $150.00/$100. This confirms the exact amount and helps prevent fraud. 5. Memo. This part is optional, but it's helpful. Use the memo line to write the reason for the check, like May rent or invoice number 203. 6. Signature. Finally, sign the check on the bottom right. Without your signature, the check is not valid. Sounds simple, right? But a few mistakes can cause big issues, like writing the wrong amount, forgetting to sign, or leaving blank spaces that someone could misuse. Tips to keep in mind: always use a pen, not a pencil. Avoid leaving blank spaces. Draw lines after writing to prevent tampering. Keep track of every check you write in a checkbook, register, or banking app. Never sign blank checks, and remember, checks are legally binding documents. Treat them with the same care and attention you would give to cash or credit. If this video helped you understand how to write a check correctly, let me know in the comments. Do you still use checks, or are you all digital now? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a refresher on this topic.